Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're starting out with a very well-deserved and appreciated gift from Italo. Thank you so much for sending me these pieces. So pretty. I've been waiting to unbox these. I'm just skipping through like the cloths and the information cards. I've been waiting to open these for a while now, and I don't really have anywhere to go, but now I feel like this is motivating me to want to do something like really dressed up and fancy. Right now I'm not doing anything like that, but the holidays are coming up. Ruby came to help me get the bracelet on. I chose this sapphire color. So pretty. I also got some earrings and a necklace to go along with it. I usually keep it really simple with my jewelry. I don't have any like statement pieces, so this is nice to add to my collection. Italo has top quality jewelry for a reasonable price, all worldwide free shipping, 1-year warranty, and a 60-day return. It's 100% safe and secure checkout. I chose this Sailor Moon style for my necklace. You guys know I love the moon. And then normally I just wear small earrings, but these dangly ones are so cute. I was trying to get it to focus. Receiving this package and this jewelry from Italo really made my day. If you guys are interested, I'll have all the links in my description. Okay, so now we're back in this entryway again. It's a catch-all. It's always looking like this. I still have those things that I have not dropped off to UPS yet to return. There's a bunch of shoes that need to be decluttered. I think I'm going to do that in the next video. I've been vlogging and filming a little bit every day after I drop the kids off to school or at night whenever I'm doing something, and I hope you guys like this because I think I might have a vlog for every day this week. I will have more structured videos coming out, but this is just the season of life that we're in right now. I'm just setting things up, and now that I have a drill, girl, can nobody tell me nothing. This door was loose on our entryway table, so I just tightened it up really quick. And then I also have this key holder. If you know me, I'm always losing my key. Even if it has an air tag, sometimes the air tag don't work. So I have a key ring, and I was thinking to put it in the entryway, but I also have my wet dry vac in the entryway. Still just figuring things out and documenting the process for you guys to watch. This is the key ring that I chose. I found it on Amazon. It was a bestseller, so I just grabbed it. And also the girls are going to be having their own house keys now. Since we moved to this neighborhood, they have just been making friends. I've allowed them to go out and play on their own, which I've never done since the old house. Anywhere that we have lived, I've never let my kids mingle or play with any of the neighborhood kids just out of fear. But I feel like I was just holding them back, and it's making me emotional thinking how many friends they've made just by riding the bus. I was always just anxious about those things, and now I've come to a place where I'm letting them be more independent and have those friendships and just be more independent, like I said, and they love it. I still, of course, have their locations, and we have curfew and rules, and so far they've been doing amazing. So like I said, I originally thought I was going to put it in the entryway. I had moved the wet dry vac, but I've moved it back since then. I think I'm going to put it in this nook area in the kitchen. I have our shelf from the old house that I always use everywhere. I've had this since the apartment. I think I got them at Ross. Still love them, so I'm going to be using it right here to put up the seashells and other things that my mom got us from Barbados. Over the years, I like to display them where I can see them. My Giyu cup had my keys and my sunglasses in it, but like I said, I want that upstairs with me, either in my bathroom or office, so that's the purpose of putting the key ring up. I think the keyring would be best here because this is where we come in and out from the garage. It also has, that's my chair making that sound, by the way. It has a shelf on top, and another thing that I always lose are my sunglasses. So I'll be immediately taking them off and putting them right up there. Okay, so now we're in the downstairs guest bathroom, and there's much more space in this one. There's actual underneath the counter space and countertop space, which we didn't have in our old guest bathroom. I'm thinking about putting these two pictures on the wall. I also picked up this soap dispenser to kind of match, but then I realized that there was only a little bit of very light watercolor navy in there. You can't really see it. It's more of a peacock and goldish color. I have another set of pictures that I ended up using that had more navy in them because the rug that I also bought for here, which was kind of small, couldn't tell on Amazon, it's navy. I might end up using that in the little one's bathroom because they still do need a rug for the outside of their tub, but we'll see. I also did mess up here a few times and had to go back and forth, but I'm not going to edit those parts out because I'm figuring this out right now. I'm not going to make you guys think that I immediately know how to do all these manly things. I'm learning along the way, girl.
Let me go, nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
When I received this sparkling water maker, I was confused. I wasn't sure who sent it to me, but it was a gift from Carbon 8. So I wanted to try it out in this video. I've never used one of these before, but it seemed interesting. I was just unboxing and trying to set it up. It comes with these little packets of lime flavor and also a mineral cartridge filter. I guess you can decide if you want to put that on or not. I think it goes at the back. I'm just trying to figure it out here. Also in this box was a tank looking thing, and anything that looks like this, that has like those screws and knobs, kind of like a pressure cooker, terrify me. So I had to do that off camera and get it in there. This was fun and I like the presentation. Maybe I'm using too small of a cup, but the taste wasn't there either. I don't know. I don't think this is it for us. Moving on to making dinner, my kids will not stop asking me for katsu chicken. Now they want katsu chicken tenders. I don't even know if that's a thing, but they also talked me into getting these extra long cooking chopsticks so I wouldn't be getting splattered with oil. Don't laugh at me. I'm still getting used to using these ginormous chopsticks, but it's fun.
Changing your mind, na na na, we ain't got the time. Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah, girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed.
These are really easy to make, but it's just a cleanup after. The oil splatters everywhere, there's breadcrumbs everywhere, and the fried food smell, even though I'm running my air purifier and the stove fan, it just smells like fried food the next day. And I dispose of the oil right away, but it just, I don't know. And if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that the other day when I opened my backsliding door, there was a cute little snake, a poisonous one, according to animal control, in our windowsill. So it was a baby, but I'm sure mommy is around here lurking somewhere. This is Florida. I'm cautious, but seeing the sight of a snake like that close to my kid's face, like as they were walking into the back, I had to grab them back inside. I don't mind the wildlife. I just don't want them bothering my kids. My dad said there's something that I can sprinkle around the yard. I don't know. I don't want to do anything that's going to kill or hurt the snake. I don't want them around my kids, and I want my kids to be able to enjoy the backyard. I just went on a whole tangent about the snake, but my point was I didn't feel comfortable opening up the windows right now to get rid of the fried food smell, because I know a lot of people are going to comment that.
If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh, no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
I got the kitchen nice and bleached, it's all clean, while the chicken tenders are in the oven. A couple of dishes left in the sink, but the dishwasher is already going, so I'll hand wash those later. Here's the rug that I ordered, it just came in. It looks really dark on camera from far away, but it's navy. I tried it in here with the pictures that I put in the first place, but I ended up switching them out. Like I said, and you guys have seen those pictures before from Target. I feel like I see them all over social media. When you see them, you're gonna be like, yep, I've seen those before. But that is it for this video, for this vlog. I'll be back with another one sometime this week. We have a lot more to get through. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.